With moss walls, live plants, and reclaimed wood as far as the eye can see, this might just be the most Pacific Northwest place you'll ever sleep. Can luxury and sustainability go hand in hand? Let's find out. This is One Hotel, Seattle. One of Seattle's newest hotels. One Hotel Seattle opened in the spring of 2025 in the city's trendy South Lake Union neighborhood. I've stayed at a handful of hotels in Seattle, and this was one I was excited to try out, and it didn't disappoint. One Hotel's vibe is entirely unique, and I can't think of a more Pacific Northwest hotel experience. The moment you walk through the doors, you're greeted by hundreds of live plants, woven throughout the lobby, and a stunning 2-story living mural made entirely of moss and reclaimed wood. The hotel has 153 rooms, including 45 suites, and the entire design philosophy revolves around biophilic design, with reclaimed tree trunk side tables, undyed fabrics, and greenery everywhere. The brand, which operates under the Starwood Hotels banner, built its identity around sustainable luxury, and Seattle might be their most natural home yet. This was definitely the most unique hallway art I've seen at a hotel. It's giving Last of Us vibes, which is fitting for Seattle. I stayed in a Cityscape King, which is one of their mid-tier rooms and goes for around $550 a night, though I think my rate when I stayed last year was actually a bit lower. The design style is contemporary and neutral, which was immediately inviting and relaxing. They've put a lot of effort into details at One Hotel. There's wood everywhere, from the hardwood floors to the headboard. Even the room keys are made out of small wood tokens. They do offer rooms with a view of the Space Needle. I didn't book one, but my room looked out over Denny Way, and I was pleasantly surprised to have a partial view when I looked to the left. If I stayed there again, I would probably book a Space Needle view. I've actually lived in Seattle, and I still think it's worth it, especially if this is your first visit. The bed was amazing, and with blackout blinds, I slept really well. I don't think I heard any other guests around me, and though I was on a lower floor, there was minimal street noise. The plants are real, which sounds like a small detail, but it really adds to that spa-like energy. Okay, let's talk about the bathroom, because this is part of why I booked this hotel. It was a beautiful mix of wood and marble, with a rainfall shower and a bathtub that opened out onto the bedroom. The hair and body care products are a One Hotel collaboration with Bamford, a British wellness brand, and they came in large, refillable dispensers, and a spa-like scent with notes of geranium, lavender, peppermint, and tonka. The shower even has a tiny built-in hourglass timer for any water-conscious travelers. Very on-brand. Now, the irony of One Hotel Seattle is that though the entire hotel feels like a spa, there isn't actually a spa on site. But I made the most of it. You can buy candles, bath bombs, and Prosecco downstairs at Whole Foods, and have your own spa day. Next to the sink, there's a filtered water tap, and the hotel provides dark green carafes and tumblers made from recycled wine bottles to fill up. It's elegant, functional, and completely eliminates the need for single-use plastic water bottles. One Hotel also got creative with their toiletries. Shower caps, cotton rounds, and cotton swabs all come with clever little suggestions for alternate uses. From using cotton swabs as straw darts and keyboard cleaners, to using cotton rounds as tiny dusters or little dollhouse rugs. Sustainability with a bit of imagination. Just outside the bathroom is a combination coffee bar and minibar, with an espresso and assortment of coffee, tea, and snacks. On any other trip, this would have been a great start to my day, but I had to hit a number of coffee shops each day on this trip for my upcoming Seattle coffee review. But I'm always a fan of an in-room Nespresso machine, so it was nice to have. The snacks were, as usual, on the pricey side, but they did leave a trio of fruit, nuts, and popcorn, which were complimentary. And the minibar was well stocked, but again, there's a Whole Foods right downstairs, so you can definitely skip the minibar prices if you want. If you're feeling fancy, minibar prices are available through a QR code on the TV and are also available in the One Hotel's app. The Cityscape King is 360 square feet, and all rooms feature free Wi-Fi and are also pet-friendly. There's an in-room safe, and there was a foam roller and yoga mat in the wardrobe, which was a nice touch. There was also an umbrella because, well, it is Seattle. The smart TV offers casting, and it did come with Netflix, though I think you have to log in with your own account. The menu offers links to in-room dining and other hotel information. Apparently there's an in-house Audi Q6 e-tron available for guest use or test driving. I had my car with me, but that might be useful for you. And another unique sustainability feature is the One Hotel, One Less Thing initiative. You can donate any unwanted clothing to a local charity and splurge on that item you couldn't fit in your suitcase. Overall, I think this was one of the most comfortable hotel rooms I've stayed in. Not a fancy suite, but cozy and relaxing, and a nice escape. The hotel does have a gym, which was small but well equipped. Not that I've ever used a gym on holiday, but for those of you who make the effort, enjoy. It's there for you. It's open 24 hours a day. And if the gym isn't your thing, the One Hotel app includes a handful of Alo wellness videos from meditation to yoga. Just off the main lobby, you'll find Drift, the hotel's all-day cafe and cocktail bar, and Loba, the in-house restaurant serving a mix of Spanish cuisine with local ingredients. Drift is open daily from 6:30 a.m. until 10 p.m. and until midnight Fridays and Saturdays, serving breakfast, lunch, dinner, and cocktails. I stopped by my first night to try some of their locally inspired cocktails. The staff was super friendly and attentive, and the ambiance was cozy and inviting, and they had a really cute outdoor patio area that looked perfect for brunch or happy hour. Their cocktails feature a mix of fresh, locally sourced ingredients and spirits, from fresh takes on classics like the Paloma and Negroni, to unique Emerald City concoctions like the Driftwood and Puget Fog, both of which I enjoyed and would definitely recommend. Drift is a cozy way to start or end your day at One Hotel. So, final thoughts. I really enjoyed my stay at One Hotel, and I would absolutely stay there again. It's on the pricier side for hotels in Seattle, but this one is definitely at the top of my list. The service was fantastic, and the South Lake Union location puts you steps away from the Amazon spheres, a short walk to Pike Place Market, Lake Union, and the waterfront. It's a great base for exploring the city without being right in the chaos of downtown. If you're in search of a hotel in Seattle that actually feels like Seattle, One Hotel is a perfect choice. Subscribe for more content like this. If One Hotel isn't your vibe, I'll have reviews for Hotel 1000 and the Astra Hotel in the coming weeks. What's your favorite hotel in Seattle? Let me know in the comments below.